In this practical, I am going to use VMware workstation machine with the two virtual machine. The one is Kali Linux and the second is Windows 7. So before going to Windows machine, we are going to make a file into Linux machine by using this command. So here I am going to create myfile.txt file with the one message into the tools folder. Now I am going to start one default web server using Python command, and that web server is going to make your tools folder available to anybody who is accessing that web server. So pass the python 3-m http.server and give the one port 8989 and hit the enter. So now we are started one web server by using the Python command, and the tools folder is going to make available to anybody who is going to access this web server. Okay, now we are leaving this web server open and move to the Windows machine. So now on the Windows side, there are several ways to start the PowerShell command line or the command window. The one is, first we are just trying to open one traditional command prompt, and into the traditional command prompt, if we are just pass PowerShell command, and my traditional command prompt is going to convert into the PowerShell command prompt, and I am able to pass the PowerScript commands at here to execute. Likewise, the PowerShell is also having its own command prompt. So if we are right clicking on the PowerShell command prompt and click on the run as administrator, then the PowerShell command prompt window is going to started. So we are also able to run the PowerScript at here. So before executing the file transfer PowerScript, we need to set the execution policy of the PowerShell window. So we are passing the command set execution policy and option unrestricted. And by default the yes is set, so simply hit the enter. Now our PowerShell command prompt is able to execute the any PowerScript command and get the output. So to transfer the file from Linux machine to the Windows, we are passing the command PowerShell -c, means to create double quotation new object system.net.web client, which is going to create one instance of the web client class and calling the function download file. That function is having the two arguments. The first argument is an address of the web server which is already started into the Kali Linux machine. So we are passing http://192.168.229.130, which is an IP address of the Linux machine with the port 8989, and slash file name myfile.txt, and the second address is an address of the local. So we need to save this file on C drive C:\tools and give the same file name myfile.txt and hit the enter. After few seconds, the PowerShell command prompt is going to appear. It means your file is transferred successfully, and now we are going to move into the tools folder and trying to listing by using the dir command. Then myfile.txt is available under the list, and if you are trying to see the content, then you just simply try to pass type and the file name myfile.txt, and your message or the content of that file is going to print. So this is the way to transfer file from one computer to another computer by using the PowerShell script. So in this video we learned how to transfer file from Linux machine to Windows machine by using the PowerShell